Hi everyone. Today we're going to show you how to submit a trouble ticket for service issues for your Pioneer account on SmartHub using your computer or laptop. Let's get started. First, visit our website at gopioneer.com and on the home page, click the Account menu in the top right-hand corner. Then, select the Go Pioneer SmartHub option. Here you're going to sign into your account using your email address and password you set up during registration. On the SmartHub home screen, click on Report an Issue Inquiry in the top right-hand side. Then select the Communications Issue option. Here you're going to select your account, your service address, your service type, and issue from the corresponding drop-down boxes. Here you're going to give a description of the issue you are experiencing in the Comments Describing Issue box. Try to be as detailed about the issue as possible, as this will help the technician to properly troubleshoot. Once everything has been filled out, select Continue. Here you're going to list your name in the Reported By box and the phone number you would like to be called at in the Contact Number box. Check both the boxes at the bottom. Then click Submit. Now you have successfully submitted a trouble ticket. The technicians will receive your ticket and contact you to troubleshoot the service issue as quickly as possible. You can also select the Other Issues General Inquiry option to submit questions about various other things, such as billing questions, questions about or changes to your account, payment questions, and more. If you need more help or have any questions, visit us at gopioneer.com/support.